Welcome back to Creatober Day 5. So if you want to get the project file from this video, you can become a Patreon member. All of the 31 project files from Creatober will be available for the inner core members on my Patreon channel. So that means that you can get the PSD files, Illustrator files, Cinema 4D files, anything that I use in that project. If you want to learn more, check out the link in the description down below. So for the word beam, I immediately thought of a Beam Saber, which is basically like a lightsaber but for Gundams. I really enjoy building Gunpla, but I haven't done it in a while, so I thought it would only be fair that I designed a Gundam poster for today. For the poster I picked a reversible Gundam since this was the first Gunpla kit I've ever built. There were some hiccups in this project, for example drawing the Beam Saber and creating the abstract symbol on the right of the poster. I'm somewhat satisfied with them, but they could definitely be improved upon. On the other hand, I also used some pretty fun techniques, for example using the high pass filter to highlight the line art on a Gundam illustration, and using the transform effect in Illustrator to create the blast or beam-like effect on the top right of the poster. I'm also really happy with how the end result looked, because blurring the poster and then using Inklab to give it a vintage printed look really worked well in my opinion. Like I said in the beginning of the video, you can get the project file from this video, so the PSD files, Illustrator files, Cinema 4D files, whatever, on my Patreon channel. There's a link down in the description if you want to check it out. And be sure to check in again tomorrow for the next day of Creatober.